Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous birthday frame which is made using pipe cleaner lily flowers. Isn't it looking very pretty and attractive? So I will share here 3 different styles of flowers, that is lily, tulip, some filler flowers and of course the leaves. And also I will share how to arrange everything to construct this beautiful frame. You can convert this into bouquet as well, or you can convert this into card. It's all up to you. So without any delay, let's get started. So I'm starting with making the lily flower, and for this I am taking here pink color pipe cleaner, just dividing in 2 parts. Then take one part, fold in half, again folding from both the sides like this. So we have 2 loops. Now take the remaining half part and pass through both these 2 loops. Folding it from center, create some twist to create a knot. Gather all the pipe cleaners towards the bottom side. Arrange all the petals nicely. Wrap it around the bottom portion. And in this way you can create one petal very easily. Now just bend it little bit and shape it nicely. Then I am doing little shading work using soft pastels. So I am taking brown color, red color and little bit of black color to give depth to my petal. And this is ready. So with the same way I have prepared total 6 petals. So to construct one lily flower we need 6 petals of same size. So all the petals are ready. Now I will show you how to arrange all the petals. So here I am taking 2 wired pollens, dividing it from center. So we have 4 pollens now. Just wrap the wire around the pollens to gather it in one place. Then one by one I am going to arrange all my petals around this. So first I am adding 3 petals. And in between I am just tucking the bundle of wires to create the stem like this. And then wrapping this whole thing together using another thin wire. After that, to extend the flower pattern, I am putting 1 petals between 2 petals. And we have to do from all 3 sides. So just put 1 petal, wrap the wire, put another petal, wrap the wire and put 3rd petal. And just secure everything nicely. And this is completely done, looking very pretty. Then here I am taking green color yarn and wrapping it around the neck toward the end of the wire to secure the stem nicely. You can also use floral tape instead of yarn. Just secure the end using glue and the flower is ready. So I just bended my wire like this, and with the same method I have prepared one more lily flower which is not having the stem. I am going to stick it directly on this bottom flower. So it will look like this. Then I am starting with making the tulip flower. So taking one yellow color pipe cleaner, dividing it two parts, then taking one part, fold this into half, just create two loops like this. Passing the other pipe cleaner through this, again fold it from center, make some twist, gather all the wires in the bottom and just secure the end. So the process is same just like we did the lily petal. I am making the tulip petal and then bend it according to the requirement. And on this petal also I am doing little shading work using orange and red soft pastel from the bottom. Now I am taking one more same petal and on other side adding the third petal. Since I am creating 2D frames, so we need only 3 petals to create the tulip. But if you are making the bouquet, you need total 6 petals. So first you have to attach 3 petals in the center and then around this you have to add remaining 3 petals. But for now I am adding only 3 petals and wrapping this whole bunch using green color yarn to gather it all together. And also I have prepared one more tulip flower, so I am attaching it like this and just completing the flower bunch. Now I am showing you how to make the filler flower. So here I am taking teal blue color pipe cleaner, just taking very small length and just folding it like this to create the petal. Similarly, we need total 8 petals, and now to create the center of the flower I am taking here brown color pipe cleaner, just folding it like this and creating the center part. Add glue on back side and start attaching all the petals one by one. And the beautiful flower is ready, very easy to make. Similarly, I prepared 2 more flowers. Then to make leaf, I am doing the same process just like we created the lily petal, I am making the leaf. So I have prepared some more petals in different sizes. So leaves are ready. Then here I am taking this beautiful oval shaped die cut out and I am writing here sentiment happy birthday using my brush pen. Like this. Then taking the golden color frame and attaching it on top of the base pattern. And in this way my beautiful sentiment is ready. Now here I am taking this beautiful 3-dimensional frame which measures 12 by 17 centimeters. So this is having nice dimension inside, and you can get it very easily from any frame shop, or you can customize it from your carpenter. I got this from IKEA store. And now in one of the corner I am sticking the sentiment happy birthday. In the bottom of sentiment I have added few layers of foam to give it height. You can also use cardboard instead of foam. And then I am attaching this beautiful ribbon bow in the bottom of the sentiment. And if you can't find the frame like this, you can create your own shadow box frame. I have already shown the video how to create your own shadow box frame. I have given link in description box. You can learn from there. Now I am arranging my flower in diagonal manner. So first I am attaching the lily. Then adding the tulip on top. And then I am attaching the filler flowers and the leaves. Then randomly here and there I am adding some green colored stones just to fill the gaps. And then adding few butterflies which I have cut using gold mirror cardstock here and there. These butterflies are made using metal die. And the super gorgeous pipe cleaner flower frame is completely ready. I have made this for birthday occasion, but you can create for any other occasion like anniversaries or housewarming party, and you can just stand it like this on the desk. This is looking very pretty, very finished and super duper easy to create. This is the best idea if you want to gift it to anyone handmade in the last minute. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.